Naghahanap ka ba ng first-class drive-in hotel and a party venue? This is the hotel that will give you premium experience and worth every peso. Join me to discover Hotel Ava. Kapag pasok mo pa lang, bubungad na agad sa iyo ang napakagandang Batman-themed inspired na kwarto. May smart TV with Netflix, air condition, at strong connection ng internet. Meron din itong life-size statue ni Batman na mas lalong nagpaganda sa kwarto. May vanity mirror from head to toe and entertainment area na may arcade machine na perfect sa mga kids nyo. May billiard game pa na you can play with your family, colleagues, and barkada. You can play as much as you want na walang pipigil sa inyo. May KTV area din ito na talaga namang mafe-feel nyo na nasa Batman Cave kayo. You can sing, play, and dance as much as you want and enjoy the wide selection ng masarap and abot kayang food and drinks na ino-offer ng Hotel Ava. At talaga namang special din ang bathroom nito dahil you can relax and unwind as much as you want sa jacuzzi nila. You deserve the premium experience yet affordable kaya mag-book na rin kayo sa Hotel Ava. Meron silang branch sa Cuneta, Malate at Hilpuyat, Manila. They offer unique designed rooms and modern amenities that your family, friends, and colleagues will surely enjoy. You can also visit their social media accounts and website for your future premium stay. Here at Hotel Ava, you can just chill, have fun, and just enjoy your stay.